Should you file a flood insurance claim? What could be the magnitude of doing this? That's what we're talking about in today's video. So let's get started. But before we do, make sure to share, subscribe, like the channel below. Hi, I'm Chris, the flood insurance guru. More than 12 years ago, I bought a house in a flood zone just like this right here. I was given the wrong flood premiums, I was given the wrong flood zone, I was given all this wrong information. So today's video, my goal is to provide as much accurate information to you as possible when it comes to, should you file that flood insurance claim? So let's talk about this today. You've got some flood damage. I'm ready to go file a claim. You're assuming, hey, just go ahead and file a claim, right? Well, but not so fast. You want to know what the long-term and short-term implications are. Let's talk about the National Flood Insurance Program first. Let's say this is the first claim you've ever filed. Good news is impact should be minimum there. What if it's not your first claim? What if it's your second claim in a couple of years? You need to know if this is your second claim, risk rating 2.0, which generally was 2021, then these claims could be used as a claim variable factor rating on your renewal. Just expect that. Now let's talk about private flood insurance here. So you're trying to decide to file that claim. Look, you need to know with private, many times after filing a claim, you might be non-renewed. Your rates may skyrocket, but you're like, but that's why insurance is there, right? When it comes to flood insurance, things work a little differently. You see, flood insurance claims stay on the life of the property, while a home insurance claim may be on there for 3 to 5 years. Because of this, a lot of private companies will not insure properties that have ever flooded before. Some have limitations of 5 years or less, 5 years or more. Some will insure after claims happen, but there's limitations there, and you need to understand that when filing that claim, which you may have to deal with at the renewal. So this is how flood insurance claims could impact you. Also, with having that flood damage, depending on what kind of state you're in, whether you're in a buyer beware state or not, and you decide to sell your property, you may have to disclose that it's either had flood damage or it's been flooded before. Once again, could possibly have an impact on your property value. So in going through these things, you want to be aware about, hey, what are the long-term and short-term implications? For example, if I decide to file this claim, it's only a $2,000 claim, is it really going to impact my premium by $5,000 over the next couple of years? Does it make sense? That's definitely a conversation you want to have with your flood insurance agent. And if you don't have a flood insurance agent, click in the description of this video, and we'd be happy to help you through this process, like we have thousands of other people across the country. So this is the video on implications of filing that flood insurance claim, what you need to know long-term, short-term. I'm Chris, the flood insurance guru, and I look forward to speaking to you in our next video. And remember, everybody's in the flood zone. Make sure to share, subscribe, and like the channel below. Thank you.